Hey y'all, Jerry here. I'm not gonna turn around and have you look at my ugly mug, but if you've been watching some of my videos, you will know that about a month ago we had a nice golf cart ride, and I says, "Oh, we're gonna pay for this. Mother Nature is not gonna let it be this nice." So I don't know how well you can see it. Doesn't look so good in the screen, but I'll give you the little wipers there. We have got a little snowstorm going on here. Maybe I'll go out the starboard side a little bit. If you can see. Yep, we got her. Bye bye. You go now.